I'm Alison Orrells, Managing Director of the Safety Letterbox company. We're the only manufacturer and designers of mailboxes in the UK and supply our products throughout the UK and worldwide. Our business started with only one product and one person created to offer a new solution to the market. Now, over 32 years later, we have over 150 models in our standard range. Innovation is the backbone of this business. We identify a potential requirement in the market, or perhaps a new aesthetic idea, or maybe even a solution for a potential security initiative, and then we create a solution within our R&D team. This has resulted in us gaining a reputation as market leaders and innovators, pushing the boundaries and setting us apart from our competitors. We're delighted to have just launched our new Parcel Box division following many years of investment and development behind the scenes. We now introduce a highly innovative and intelligent system to change the face of parcel delivery. This future-proofed solution will ensure no one need miss a parcel again. It really does demonstrate that we are game changers, innovators, and continually and quite literally thinking outside the box.